Hi guys, it's me, K-Card. So for this video, I'm going to make the Wendy inspired na phone charm. I don't really am sure kung ano yung tawag dito. Anyway, so yeah, for this video, I'm gonna make the Wendy inspired. So, wait, I'm gonna open the light. Yung light ko, bago na. The-remote na siya. Ayan, so, ayan. So, anyways, so, I'm gonna make one. So, ito, I'm not sure kung ano yung nakalagay dito niya. Pero, ang nakita ko kasing side is ganito. So, it so happened na meron akong bead na may smiley face. And I find it cute. Kaya, ito yung ginamit ko. And, yeah, these are actually glass beads. So, when you say glass, ayan, kasi diba meron yung plastic, meron yung parang mas babasagin. This one is the babasagin na version. So, for this video, yeah, DIY with me. And, para rin ma-idea kayo kung paano siya gawin. So, by the way, before I start, this one was made way back then bracelet. So, this one is a bracelet. So, actually, itong mga ganito, pwede mo siya i-convert like with the plier. So, yan. Para maging phone charm din siya. So, it's 2-in-1 bracelet na pwede maging phone charm. So, this one, as for this one, okay, the reason why I'm sharing it kasi is for me to give you an option. Kasi ito, di ko siya ginamitan ng ganito. Kasi normal lang siya na, normal lang na bead. I intentionally use white. Meron akong transparent here. Where's the roll? Meron akong transparent here. Yung ganito, same dito na elastic. Pero I intentionally use black. Kasi na-notice ko sa photos na kulay black yung gamit niya. Hold on. I'll show you a proof. So actually, the reason why I have my phone here is para i-guide kayo kung bakit naging ganun yung bead na napili ko. And yeah. Wait, let me show you this one. Here. Okay, so this one is actually a photo wherein, pag zoom in mo siya, you can clearly see na kulay black yung strand na ginamit niya. Kasi yung sa mga previous photos, like this one, hindi siya kita. But this photo, ayan, kulay black yung ginamit niya. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, tatlo lang yung, 1, 2, 3, and then skip 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So, ganun ko rin siya ginawa. 1, 2, 3, skip, isa, tapos tatlo. Okay. And this one, ito pa pala, 4. So, ito, there's one more here. I'll show you a proof. So, lahat to may proof. Hindi. Para lang may guide lang kayo. Ayan. So, there's one more. So, ganun din naman siya. It's actually the same phone. So, pabaliktad lang na side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then isang gitna, and then 3. So, yeah, let's do it together. Okay, so, I'll use this photo na lang. Okay, so, by the way, this one is actually letter C or U. I don't know why. Is it the brand or what? Pero ako, I use the, plain one. Okay, so, I have here the, beads. Where's the bead? Okay. So, ito yung mga beads na nagamit ko so far.